Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to freeze rows in Excel. Okay, so if you want to freeze top 2 row in Excel or top 3 row in Excel or top 5 top 6, so you can do it easily. So in this video I will cover how to do that. Here you will see I have two rows, okay, first and second. Okay, so if I want to freeze this first, second and third row, so what you have to do, you have to select 4 row. Means if you want to uh, freeze first row, so what you have to do, you have to select second row. So I want to freeze first top 3 rows, so what I have to do, you have to just select fourth row. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see in the ribbon view option. Okay, now click on it and here you will see freeze pane option. Now click on it. Okay, so now if I scroll down here, you will see top 3 rows, these rows are okay freezed. So like this you can freeze top 3 rows. If you want to freeze top 6 rows, so what you have to do, you have to select top 7, you have to select 7 number row and then you have to again click on freeze panes. Okay, so now you will see top 6 rows has been freezed. So like this you can freeze rows in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.